What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about IOTA, also known as MIOTA. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. As you guys can see, it is over 35% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 23 cents. So we're going to be looking at how high can this crypto pump. Can it hit 30-40 cents over the coming days or even in the coming hours, because it is pumping like crazy right now. And we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? And looking at its prediction going into 2024 as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of IOTA, which is here in purple at just under 19 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at over 23 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, as you guys can probably tell, this is not realistic, as is basing it off the last couple of hours. Because it's pumped up so much in value, it thinks that it's going to keep going that way, it's going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting is for it to have taken a little step back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow, IOTA should be trading below 20 cents is what I'm expecting. It's not going to be a major crash or a major step back, but do expect an overall drop in value from this crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. But that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to head up to about 25-26 cents over the next couple of hours, even to about 27 cents before it slowly starts to drop down in value towards this afternoon, evening time, below 20 cents. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, we are still looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very positive. But once again, this is not realistic. Exact same reason applies here. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, what are my expectations from IOTA is once again an overall drop in value, guys, but nothing too crazy, potentially dropping down to about 19 to 20 cents, hovering around between those price ranges is what I'm expecting. But in between that time, it is likely to drop down to 18 cents as well, back to where it was trading earlier on this week. But again, do expect to be quite volatile. It's going to be hitting green candles and red candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So guys, do expect an overall drop in value from IOTA over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, the blue line is still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, and the orange line is looking a little bit more realistic. It's just about slanting towards a positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so mid to late January 2024, I'm expecting IOTA to be trading around the 23 cents target, where it is at the moment essentially. Why do I say that? Is because, as you guys can see, over the last year, It's been quite volatile, up and down. It's literally been pumping, dropping, and I'm expecting that to carry on. However, because I'm expecting Bitcoin to head over $42,000 in towards the end of this year and early next year, I'm expecting it to have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves IOTA as well. So I'm expecting IOTA to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value after it drops down to about 18-19 cents over the coming weeks. It should slowly start to gain value to around 23 cents in target. By January to early February time, we should essentially be trading around its current price range of where it is at the moment, but before that it is likely to drop back down in value. So yeah, this is my take on IOTA, guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to hit the resistance target here of 47 cents, which I'm not expecting IOTA to hit anytime soon. Potentially Q2 or Q3 of 2024 is when I'm expecting it to head up to the green resistance target here of 47 cents and potentially head into the green zone towards the end of the year, and potentially hitting the dollar mark over the next 2 to 3 years. I would say so because a lot of people have been asking me and commenting saying the dollar mark is going to hit that soon, so on and so on. But you have to be realistic. It's going to take at least about a year to hit the dollar mark, depending on how the crypto market performs. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up like crazy, guys. 3,400% up in the last 24 hours, making it $245 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. A lot more people are trading into the crypto right now, and again, both buyers and sellers, we can see, people who are already invested into the crypto taking out the profits, and a lot of people getting hyped up around it and investing into it as it is pumping right now. So it's getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view, as I'm guessing it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So yeah, it is top trending right now. So for those of you asking, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? I would definitely not buy it because it is overvalued, and the fact that I'm expecting it to drop back down in value makes it more of a reason as to why I wouldn't invest into it. And for those of you asking, would I sell the crypto? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. For example, if I had $1,000 invested into IOTA, I would probably take out about 40 to 50%, and that's only if I want to profit and keep the remaining for the long term over the next couple of years if it does manage to hit 50 cents or a dollar mark and so on, meaning I've taken out some profits and I've still got some investment into the crypto, which works both ways. But yeah, this is my take on this crypto, guys. Comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are predicting this crypto to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.